Artificial Neural Networks Explained, The Building Blocks of AI is a title that suggests an educational video providing an explanation of artificial neural networks and their significance in the field of AI. Here's an overview of what you can cover in such a video. 1. Introduction to Artificial Neural Networks. Start by introducing the concept of artificial neural networks as a fundamental component of AI. Explain how they are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain and how they enable machines to learn and make predictions. 2. Neurons and connections. Discuss the basic elements of artificial neural networks, such as neurons, nodes, and connections, edges. Explain how neurons receive inputs, apply activation functions, and pass signals through connections to other neurons. 3. Layers and architectures. Introduce the concept of layers in neural networks, including input, hidden, and output layers. Explain how these layers are interconnected to form different architectures, such as feed-forward, recurrent, and convolutional neural networks. 4. Forward propagation. Describe the process of forward propagation, where input data is fed through the neural network, and computations are performed layer by layer to generate predictions or outputs. Explain how weights and biases play a crucial role in this process. 5. Activation functions. Discuss various activation functions used in neural networks, such as sigmoid, ReLU, rectified linear unit, and softmax. Explain their purpose in introducing nonlinearity and enabling complex mappings within the network. 6. Training and backpropagation. Explain the training process of neural networks using backpropagation. Discuss the concepts of loss functions, gradient descent, and how the network learns by adjusting weights and biases based on the calculated errors. 7. Applications of artificial neural networks. Provide examples of real-world applications where artificial neural networks have been successful, such as image classification, natural language processing, speech recognition, and recommendation systems. Highlight the impact of neural networks in advancing AI technologies. 8. Limitations and future directions. Discuss the limitations of artificial neural networks, such as overfitting, interpretability, and computational requirements. Mention ongoing research and emerging techniques, such as deep learning and reinforcement learning, that address these limitations. 9. Resources and further learning. Share additional resources, such as books, online courses, and frameworks, for viewers who want to delve deeper into artificial neural networks. Encourage viewers to experiment with neural network frameworks and explore hands-on projects. Throughout the video, use visual aids such as diagrams, animations, and illustrative examples to enhance understanding. Simplify complex concepts and provide clear explanations suitable for viewers seeking an introduction to artificial neural networks and their role in AI. By following this structure, you can create an informative and accessible video that explains the building blocks of artificial neural networks and their significance in the broader field of AI.